Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 04 August 2018, 02 of hour, 02 of minute and 27 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can boiling water melt PVC pipes? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can boiling water melt PVC pipes. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can boiling water melt PVC pipes. It's not guaranteed to unclog physical or grease blockages, but if you have a slow drain that you think is due to a light or small blockage, a good boiling water flush can clear it out with minimal effort. If you have PVC pipes, water over 175 degrees can soften or melt the joints in your pipes. Last update July 26, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.